one and all present out here. I, Pradummnya Sharma, representing Emperor's, is going to recite a short poem. The title of my poem is "O Captain, My Captain" by Walt Whitman. So here I begin. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every wreck. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells are here, the people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady kneel, the vessel fame enduring. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bell. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills, for you the bouquets and ribbon wreaths, for you the swords are crowding, for you they call the swaying mass, their eager face turning. Your Captain, dear Father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dreams where on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. My Captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arms, he has no pulse nor will. The ship has anchored safe and sound, the voyage close and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object one. Exalt, O swords, and ring, O bell. But I, with mournful train, walk on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Thank you.